let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
A few moments later.
Hey. Oh. Hey, what are you doing here? Come here, come here. Out of all places, I didn't expect you to be here. Hey, what's the matter? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Is that so? Well, if we make it out here, I'll make sure to make you something.
Just kidding.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Cook with Fam. In today's video, we are making the Fortnite Cheeseburger, which is something I never thought I'd say.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just.
What is that?
You old people would understand.
What?
So if you want to skip past this talking,
these are the ingredients. So first thing you're gonna do is open up your bag of beef.
oh, did we get rotten meat? Why is it brown?
Because you put your meat in the mixing bowl.
And now we're gonna start seasoning. You're going to get Famous Dave's steak and burger seasoning, and you're going to use 1 tablespoon.
Make sure you get 1. Oh my God, here we go. That is more than, don't do.
All right.
Give me that.
And then you're going to get Kinder seasoning, right? And you're going to do 1 tablespoon as well. You're gonna pour it in.
And you're going to use 1 tablespoon of deli mustard. Just gonna plop it in there. Plop, 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 plop. Your pepper.
We always have a problem opening this pepper, I don't know why.
Here we go. Oh, did you see that? Problem solved. Now,
You're going to get your hand. Get your hand and you're gonna start mushing.
mixing.
Mushing. So you're gonna get your hands and you're gonna start mushing. Just gushing. Just
Brother, Had to let the alpha out.
Oh my God.
oh my gosh, it smells good. Now we're going to be making the patties.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna grab a ball of meat and then you're gonna start making a patty. And you don't want to do it like me, right? Last time I made a what did I make? A tortilla?
And then I made them too fat.
I'm gonna make mine like super thick.
You're not gonna be able to cook that.
Well,
It's gonna be raw in the inside.
I like my burgers thick.
Okay, do whatever. No, don't make them thick. It's not gonna cook.
Yes, it will. You have to believe.
Oh, that's not gonna cook, Josh.
Yes, it is. Look, okay, look, fine. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's lighting. Want to know a scary story? Alright, so you're gonna get your patties and you're going to.
Get a skillet. So you're gonna start your fire.
Alright.
You're gonna put it on high because you want your pan to get warm. Going to get your oil, cooking, non-stick.
You're gonna spray that bad boy.
Yes. And just a little drizzle of oil.
This is vegetable oil, right?
Yes. That's it, just a drizzle. Now you're gonna grab your first patty.
Right.
You hear that? 2 patties, 3 patties, 4 patties. Each side for minimum of 7 minutes. If it needs longer, then you go ahead and do it. So this is what your burger should start looking like.
Oh my gosh, you look delicious.
And at this process, you just kind of press them down a little bit and get all that juice out. Look at that. So the roast beef that we are going to use for the tongue, we're going to go ahead and put that bad boy in here and let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. Now get your burgers out of your stove.
Right? They look good.
And then get your
Roast beef.
out.
Now we're going to be doing the buns, right? But you make sure when you get your buns, you get some with sesame seed, right? Because you want it to be authentic. Mayo, right? And you're gonna spread it on
Each bun.
each bun.
You have your buns and you're gonna put them here. So now that your buns are toasted, you're just gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. Because remember that before we just used a little bit to toast them. Now you're gonna dice your tomatoes.
Right? And you're gonna so you just slice them into about like that width. Alright, so we're just gonna finish setting up the burger, right? So you're going to get your deli mustard and you're gonna put it on the top buns. Now we're going to be assembling the burger, right? So you're going to be getting a patty. First you're gonna put it on the burger, right?
Okay, should I do the same?
Yes. And then you're going to grab your cheese, right? Hey, in the comments when we're done, rate which one's better. I'm gonna show you guys. And once you put the cheese, you're gonna grab a piece of tomato, right? And then once you grab a tomato, right, you're going to grab your roast beef, and then you're gonna curl it up like this, and then you're gonna put it right here, where it's sticking out, right? And then finally you're going to get your top bun, put it on. Then you're going to get your toothpick, stick it right through, right? So not only will it keep it in place, right, but you're gonna get your piece of olive.
See, I'm winning already. There you go.
You're taking too long.
Well, because I helped you.
You're going to get your edible googly eyes, right? And you're going to get 2.
Show me.
Unless you want to use 3, I can use 3, but.
Who has 3 eyes?
A friend named Billy has some. I met him at school. Pretty cool guy.
Oh wow, wait, hold on. This is not sticking. Is there a way to make them stick?
No, you just suck at making these burgers.
What did I do mine? I lost my eye. What the?
Wait, show them your burger. That's Mama's, right? And this is mine. And that's Mama's. All right. Wait, which one's better, right? Hers has, look, if you pull up the eye, there's not only is there a toothpick, there's a.
What?
Rate which one's better, right?
My tongue is sticking out. Look.
Last but not least, we are going to be making the slurp juice, right?
Right.
First, you're going to get a can of squirt, right? You're gonna open it. It just exploded on my hand.
You're gonna do half.
Once you do half of your squirt, you're going to grab your lemonade, strawberry. Wait, strawberry lemonade. Then fill it a little bit. And you're probably wondering to yourself, wait, hey Josh, this does not look like a slurp juice. And I'm gonna tell you, little Timmy, shut up. We're going to do the final part, which is
the blue.
The blue.
Much.
Now, you could use less to make it even more blue, right? But for our taste, this is what we think is the best, right? Go all authentic and make it fully blue. You do you. So this is the finished product, right? You got the burgers, right? Show me your burger. Now rate which one's better, right? This one's mine. This one's.
Hey.
Now I hope you guys didn't.
I dropped it on me.
I hope you guys did enjoy the video, right? Like and subscribe.
Please.
See you in the next one, right?
Yes.
Thank you for getting us to 136 subscribers.
Hey.
We're almost at.
Exciting?
Yes, we're almost at 200. See you guys in the next video.
Thank you.
It's me, you're the PS5. Tell me which of us is more your type. Seems like you can't decide. So if it's not me, then I'm probably gonna run it over.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just